Hi everybody, my name is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and it's very dark outside because we have right now a hurricane in Tampa. Yes, for people who work at Nordstrom's, they let us go home early. I come home and then I'm like, you know what, let me make a video, brand new video. And I decided I don't want to do something crazy. I want something to make me fresh, young and palette for everyone. I know you're all waiting for this eyeshadow palette from Guerlain, but let me do my eyebrows. I'm gonna comb my eyebrows first, and believe me or not, I'm not a lucky girl. I have two different eyebrows. One it's more up, another down. It just, I don't have perfect brows, but I know how to make perfect brows. I'm gonna use Benefit eyebrow gel, and it's a clear one. I'm gonna first comb my eyebrows. I have an angle brow brush, and I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills just powder, and I'm not applying darker one, I'm applying lighter color. And how I'm gonna apply, I'm gonna apply little bit underneath. It will look soft and very natural. Eyebrows, it's done, and it's time to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I have a big blending brush from Chanel. It's an older brush, and I'm gonna apply this orange color right here in the corner, and I pushing up. And when I pushing up, I go above my circle area, and I'm gonna reapply few times, and I'm gonna build and build color. Voila, I have just only one color. I really like how this eyeshadow look on my eyelid. I don't see any shimmer. It looks beautiful. It's pop my eyes. This is basic, yes, palette, but again, I love this basic because doesn't matter daytime, nighttime, work, it will always look sexy, natural, like makeup, no makeup look. And this is what I'm looking after 45. One more time, I'm gonna use same eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply little bit more this color, and I'm gonna right here kind of build color. I apply a little bit more and more, and you can see it's slightly little bit darker than this middle color right here. I'm gonna use my favorite Chanel brush. It's 200, and then we're gonna use this one. It's like a taupey color, but I feel like it's have little bit like a maybe like a pinky, slightly like pinky undertone. Gorgeous color. Also it says Guerlain here. Yes, I'm messing you, my beautiful eyeshadow. And this is, it's a flat brush. We're gonna apply right here on low my lid. Wow, how beautiful this. Also, you can see I apply this color right here, but I do not apply nothing right here. First of all, if I will apply shimmer right there, it's gonna look more wrinkly, and then I have like a little bit right here, a little bit boo-boo. And if I will apply right there shimmer, it's gonna bring more, and I do not want this. Again, I apply just only one this beautiful color right here. Now I'm gonna use waterproof eyeliner, and this is from Lancome. It's colored chocolate, but you can use any brown pencil. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically shape my eyeliner, because I really want like this sharp pointy tip. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply this eyeliner between my lashes. And look at my eyes when I apply eyeliner on a waterline, and then where it's not. It is huge difference. And now same eyeliner pencil, I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes right here on the top. And of course, after 45, I need my simply human mirror. I need to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna lift a little bit my eye, and again I apply very close to my lashes. Also, because I have two different brow, I don't really do much big huge lines or like really like winky line, because when you don't have a perfect eye and one is up and another down, sometimes like if you don't know what you're doing, can look really wrong. I have eyeliner. Now I have a small angle brush. Which one I use for my brow? I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow, but I'm not gonna apply too much. I don't want heavy look. All what I'm gonna do, just apply very close to my lashes. I just making this eyeliner a little bit more, I will say, blurry looking, and if I mess up somewhere, it will look like a perfect line. Also, I'm gonna apply a little bit underneath, not heavy, very softly, and I just apply like halfway. Also, this black eyeliner or eyeshadow, sorry, I'm applying right here a little bit more. And if it's not perfect, it's okay, because I'm gonna use right now a big blending brush, and I'm gonna just a little bit soft this dark eyeshadow, and I will pushing up, and it's this eyeliner, this darker black eyeshadow will little bit lift my eye, but it's not I'm making a big winky line. We're almost done, but we have this beautiful white pearl eyeshadow. I really like it. And then I wanna add something else. And what I'm gonna add, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier transparency powder. I'm gonna apply on my brush, and this is by North brush. And I'm gonna just put right here this. It's just transparent, but it's just little bit will bright this area, and I just love how gonna give me this nice beautiful bright look. Again, it's no shimmer, it's matte, just right here. And now I'm ready to use this beautiful pearl eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply close to my brows, just right here. I love this color. And of course this light color, again, I'm gonna apply right here, very, very little. Now again, this small tiny brush, I'm gonna use this pearl eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply very little just right here. I'm kind of highlighting the center of my eye. Again, look at how natural, how pretty this eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna apply Lancome primer, then I'm gonna use mascara. From who should I use mascara? I'm gonna use mascara from Sicily, and that's it. We are done with eyes, and then I'm gonna put a little bit powder blush and new lipstick from Valentina. Oh, girls, it's amazing formula. Okay, let's finish this look very quick. I will be right back with my lashes. It's getting really, really dark outside, and you know what, I love my eyes, but I feel a little bit missing something, and I know what I'm missing. I need to little bit more apply something on my crease. I do like this eyeshadow palette. Will I recommend? Yes, and absolutely yes, but it's a little bit too light, this eyeshadow for me. I need to build a little bit crease, and SOS, and I have Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is actually, I still think it's like $40 this palette. You have two powder, you have highlighter, you have contour, you have bronzer, you have everything here. And you know what, I'm gonna use this. Which one should I use? Which one? You know what? I like all of them. Okay, I'm gonna use this color and I'm gonna apply a little bit more on my crease. So sorry. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use the same blending big brush, and again I'm gonna apply this color a little bit more right here. Look how my eyes pop. It's even lift my eye, and now I am happy. It's definitely beautiful right now. Pop my eyes. I'm very happy. Now you know what, because I have this palette in my hand, I'm gonna use a big brush, and it's a brush from Chanel. I'm gonna use this 2 color, and I'm gonna just set my foundation. My skin looks great. I have same big brush, and now I'm gonna use this color to little bit more give me a color, contouring color. Plus it's already like a little bit dark outside and light not the same, and I feel like a little bit pale. I need to add a little bit more bronze, and you'll do just like this. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you never can go wrong. This highlighting powder little bit too light for me. I'm gonna choose different highlighter, and I'm gonna use Becca highlighter. I have probably this for like 3 or 4 years. You need very little. I love this like champagne color. And now you ready for blush? I am, and I'm gonna use Givenchy blush. Like in one video I'm saying I'm not sure, I love it, but it's too perfumey, maybe it's gonna make me break out. I don't have any actually issue with this blush. Yes, I really like. I got 2 of them. One it's pinky, one it's coral, and pinky it's number 2 and number 4 it's coral, and I love this blush. Absolutely in love. I'm using North brush, and I'm just adding this blush on my brush and right here. Yeah. And this smells really good. And now it's time for you some hot red lipstick, and I'm gonna use this beautiful Valentina lipstick. Look at this Valentina like rock studs on this lipstick again. This is amazing formula. Look at these details on lipstick letter V. Also you have a mirror on this lipstick, and yes, let me show you, yes, I got this set, 5 lipstick, beautiful clutch for $110. It's insane. I did make already video. I hope girls, guys, you purchase couple sets like this, because one lipstick is $45 and this is set 110. You have neutral, you have red, you have a blue undertone red. It's spectacular formula. Highly recommend. Okay, let's finish this look with this beautiful lip color. Which one in this set? And let me tell you color name, sorry. And this is its color 22A Rosa Valentina Matte. First, I'm gonna use lip liner from Chanel 174, and it's color Tender, I believe, Rouge Tender. This lip liner looks slightly a little bit orange for this lipstick, but believe me or not, when I look, this looks really actually pretty. I'm not gonna even change this lip liner. I'm gonna leave it is what it is because it is beautiful. And then because it's matte formula, but it's not feels dry at all, it's comfortable on my lips, I'm still gonna use lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a lip plumper lip gloss Pillow Talk. And then I have like my little makeup artist trick. If I'm gonna apply right now this lip gloss with this applicator and then put back, this will change a little bit color, and I don't want any changes. I'm just have my little bit disposal brush, which one I get it from Nordstrom for free. What it means if you ever at Nordstrom Tampa or you buying something from me, say, Katerina, send me a couple of these free brushes, I will always send to you. Oh, looks juicy, sexy, and it's a little bit soft, my look. I like both way, without and with lip gloss. But guys, let me know, do you like this look or not? I feel bright, I feel fresh, I feel young, and who cares about tornado outside or hurricane, sorry. I look amazing. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel, comments below, and I don't know why I feel holiday is almost here. We have so many already Christmas merchandise, and believe me or not, guys, I think about you. People who comment my video, who follow me Instagram, I know couple my lovely ladies, they always supported me. I'm getting special presents for you. Yes, I am. Okay, bye everybody. Subscribe my new channel, and I will see you in my next video.